Okay, tough guy. That's what I thought.
Your mom looks like a dog.
You be my Valentine. What? I love you.
Let it.
Yeah. Say hello. Good girl. I love you. Okay, ready?
Oh!
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Wait.
Whisper. Good job, whisper. Whisper. Good job.
Good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay? You okay?
Here's the teeth. Ah.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Good job.